Question 4 asks us to find the coefficient of variation for a 5-year period. We are given 5 years of stock return data, and we can use our coefficient of variation formula to solve this problem. The coefficient of variation is simply equal to standard deviation divided by the expected return, otherwise known as the mean. We're going to use the tools in our Texas Instrument calculator to calculate both the standard deviation and the expected return. We can do this by hitting the 2nd and 7 key. Okay, so it brings us to this screen where we start to input our year's worth of returns. So the first year, 2002, 22% return. We hit enter. All of our Y01s will be equal to 1. Okay, just remember that. Don't ask me why. The second data point, or the second return, is going to be equal to 33. The third one is equal to 1. The fourth one is equal to -12. And the fifth one is equal to 10. If we hit the second key and the number 8 for statistics, we want to make sure, or we want to find the area that says 1 minus V. Once we find that area, if you don't see it, scroll down until you get to it. Once you find 1 minus V, hit enter. And if you tab down, you're giving your N, you're giving your mean, you're giving your sample standard deviation, and giving your population standard deviation. For this problem, we need the population standard deviation per our guidance from the question. We can now use our formula to solve for the coefficient of variation. We're given a standard deviation for the population of 15.77150, and we can divide that by our mean, which we're also given using our calculator, 10.08. And if we do the math on that, we get 1.4551. Answer choice B would be what we want to select to answer this question.